this is what came from Temu. I don't know if it's upside down or not. Wow. I'm so impressed. Wow, I'm so impressed. Okay, let me figure it out now. And this is the spin basket. I'm happy with it. These are the controls. And I love it. Look at it. It's just gorgeous, isn't it? My Temu washing machine. So this is portable and easy to use when you're traveling or on the road. It compresses down to fit in a suitcase. So I'm just going to wash a little pair of jogging pants here and then 2 shirts, and doesn't take very long. And you know, it has a little dryer basket, and boom, your clothes are done and ready.